Hello friends, welcome in my channel NDS classes. I hope you all are safe and healthy in this pandemic situation. So, today we are going to learn about personality disorder. So, let's start with meaning of personality disorder. American Psychiatric Association defines it an enduring pattern of inner experience and behavior that deviates markedly from the expectations of the culture of an individual who exhibit it. You can see here, a person with a personality disorder thinks, feels, behaves, or relates to others very differently from the average person, and we cannot diagnose any person with disorder before 18 years. Causes of personality disorder. Exact cause of personality disorder is unknown. There is some cause like genetic, environmental, and traumatic event, biological disturbances, anatomical, electrical, and neurochemical. In cluster of personality disorder, here three type of cluster: cluster A, cluster B, and cluster C. Where the different type of disorder, which I'll explain one by one with some examples. Here with paranoid personality disorder, an individual show the mistrust to others and suspicious attitude toward others, feel unsafe and consider other as their enemy, find problem in almost every situation. The next personality disorder, schizoid personality disorder. Individuals with a schizoid personality disorder find socializing with other irrelevant things, and such individuals do not believe in social relationships and prefer isolation. They almost detach themselves from outside of the world. Next personality disorder is schizotypal personality disorder. Schizotypal personality disorder refers to a condition where individuals generally think what is practically not possible, always show an odd behavior, and prefer staying alone. The next personality disorder of cluster B, antisocial personality disorder. With antisocial personality disorder, an individual do not value the right of the other individuals, often disrespect people, and absolutely no feeling or sentiments to others. Feel jealousy toward others. Disorder is borderline personality disorder. With this borderline personality disorder, often suffer from extreme mood fluctuation. It's also called black and white thinking. There is no middle way for them, and disorder tend to extreme violence in their personal relationship. Example is Bhool Bhulaiya movie. Is histrionic personality disorder. Histrionic personality disorder refers to a condition individual can actually go to any limit to seek attention of the people around them. For this, they adopt the wrong ways to attract an individual. Such individuals strive hard to grab eyeballs. Acting is just for example. Personality disorder is narcissistic personality disorder. Such individuals are only concerned about their own image, pride, social status, and are often self-oppressed. Individuals with narcissistic personality disorder think that they are the most special people on the earth. You can see the examples. The next personality disorder is avoidant personality disorder. As the name, such individuals feel ignored by others and fear being ridiculed by the society. Individuals with this disorder fear interacting with others and feel that they are individuals making fun for him. You can see the example in the picture. So let's the next personality disorder, dependent personality disorder. As the name, such individuals are extremely dependent on others and often lack self-confidence. They are often depend on others for their emotional need, always show dependency. You can see the examples. And the next personality disorder is obsessive compulsive personality disorder. Individuals with obsessive compulsive personality disorder are obsessed with discipline, perfectionism, order line, and so on. They are excessively devoted in any work. You can see in the picture. About treatment. Psychotherapy is a method to reduce the disorder, but we cannot cure totally the disorder. And medication like antidepressant, antipsychotic, mood stabilizers. Coping those families who have person with personality disorder, hospitalization in severe case because it can harm the family members. Some other skills like support them, help them, and guide them, assist them, and counseling service is the most powerful tool for the personality disorder. Thank Thank you guys. I hope you all got best knowledge.